Petty fam.
We're doing
Vacation Gone Wrong, day 3.
What happened?
Oh my.
It's sitting right there.
Oh man.
What's up, Royal Family?
It's your girl Queen.
It's your boy Clarence.
We are back with another
Oh, your mother. Right now, we're on the beach with our bucket hats, our matching bucket hats.
Bucket.
You know what I'm saying? What's the time? Bucket hat. Bucket hats unite. You know what I mean? We about to go jet skiing. You know what I'm saying? Look at jet ski.
Y'all about to lose them.
You don't know, we went jet skiing
Yeah,
for our last trip
you
2
knew
years
that
ago,
time.
and it was amazing. I had the most fun ever. Only difference is this time my eyelashes is not gonna get lost in the water.
Oh, y'all remember that?
It kept fluttering for his life.
Ah.
Because I have an extension.
Okay. My house is literally right there, and we about to do all of this. You know what I'm
Ow.
saying? I actually forgot the GoPro.
Oh, you did.
God damn, I gotta go get that.
Hopefully I don't run
Shit.
into a boat either.
Oh yeah, I'll be right back.
Yeah, go get the GoPro, baby.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Sky look lovely.
Yeah.
Water is beautiful.
Absolutely.
Mountains all popping.
Yeah. Biker. Queen got her own jet ski. I'm
I
scared.
Bro, I don't have a tripod for my GoPro. Babe, you good? You good? What's wrong? I'm gonna go take my hat off. I'll be back.
I don't know what happened. Clarence said that
Was not turned on.
the GoPro wasn't turned on. He might have got a little footage, but I don't know if he did.
I got a little bit of footage, but I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to take it off there. I don't know.
We tried to get it, but still, y'all seen us jet ski before. That's footage y'all seen before. We're going ATVing, but I don't know if we'll be able to show them that either. I think the GoPro more for water, but yeah, we went all the way out there. It was Clarence's idea to tell me to jump off. I did.
I'm not gonna lie, they didn't know that, but when we went deep, we jumped off our jet skis and was swimming in the middle of the ocean.
Well, I was about to drown, and I lost my swimsuit cover, and what else happened? Oh, I forgot to stop the jet ski. Look, I forgot to turn the jet ski off. So it was going in a circle round and round. I was trying to catch it, and I couldn't.
When she jumped off, like you're supposed to keep the thing on the thing, right? She took it off. Took the thing off her vest. So now when she jumped off, the jet ski just going.
Oh wow.
The jet ski was going round
And she could have
round.
had it. These had to jump off, get it.
And then I couldn't get on. And then I had salt water in my eyes, so I couldn't see. So it was just, Clarence really wish he could have got that on camera.
I wish, bro. Classic footage.
Yeah, but that would have been real funny. I would have been crying laughing.
Right.
But we are about to go jumping here together. He got his goggles. And
So that day was just not a good day for them.
Yeah, it just started
So
off
I'm about to
bad.
go under there. We just seen a needlefish. I'm gonna try to go under there and see what that's hitting for. I want them to see us together. Okay. Let me put it down. Okay.
She's scared. How you scared and you with him?
Right.
Okay, I'm gonna
Can you help her up? Okay.
Really?
Clarence got a splinter in his toe, y'all.
It's not a splinter. It's them spiky water sea urchins. See you some?
What are you waiting for you?
Look, it's here, it's here. Like it pricked me all over.
Oh man.
Now I gotta take it out. They said if I don't take it out, that's gonna swell up.
I
That's gonna hurt.
hope it doesn't.
What are you doing?
He's twitching
You
already?
don't wanna. Do you need my help?
No.
This one hurts.
He ain't gonna let you do
Oh.
This one hurts.
What is he taking it out
This
with?
one's deep, man. Nigga, I kicked the shit out of that shit.
With his, oh, he got some metal.
Is it tweezers?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to help him get this out. So, let's go
Babies.
y'all, but we are not. So we're currently going to the nurse.
Oh.
It's been like an hour trying to get the pokey little thing out his feet. Now y'all know when Clarence not wearing socks, something's wrong.
Oh wow.
This man don't have on socks.
He brushing too.
Whole thing.
Yeah, ain't got no
They
elevator.
said it's gonna swell up.
See if that she can take it out.
Oh
We got some
God.
tweezers, but he just couldn't do it. So
Oh goodness.
I'm glad they got somebody on site.
Right.
deal with this first and then figure out what we're doing for the rest of the day.
These, you might as well pick them up and carry them on.
he said we
Cause
Right.
that's
to
terrible.
ATV, but
See
truthfully,
how it went wrong
I
now.
want to do the boat excursion.
I don't know.
Girl, don't make no plans until he get better.
I don't know, we might skip out on ATV. This lighting sucks.
Like I was trying not to put it. I was really just trying to break the skin.
Okay. Yeah, we can put the vinegar too.
Vinegar? Okay.
Yeah, we can put the vinegar maybe 1 hour before 5 p.m. and I will check
Again.
check again if the spinal is still there or if we need to call the doctor, because sometimes when you do that, you try to remove the spinal moving deep and then you get infection with everything.
Wow.
Well, you put in there and you put there. Okay? And at 4, you come back and I will check.
Okay.
So, we
Oh my God! Oh, I thought he was in a hospital, y'all.
I know.
It's sitting right there.
Oh dang! That
This
is no
was actually
fun.
soaking in some vinegar, but that little rectangle thing is what holds the toiletries. So we got vinegar on there, and hopefully it's supposed to melt it away. Hopefully,
Wow.
I'm praying that at least so we can go do something else. Y'all know we couldn't do
Y'all ain't doing that.
ATVs,
That's gonna take a
but
while.
And it's probably
You know, we
gonna
gotta
be
end the night off
sensitive.
Yeah. One thing about excursions is you gotta walk a couple places.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's terrible. Poor guy.
Yo, you think it's a game?
He mad.
Oh
Oh,
shoot!
Lord.
Put a needle in all three
Cause
spots
ain't
that
nothing
had
like
spikes in,
being away from home
just to
and
numb it.
something
So then she
wrong.
could go in there, scoop it out
Oh,
with like a needle and a pair of tweezers or something. And that's the update right there.
them
And
sea urchins are like spiders of the
they had to
sea.
call the
Yeah.
doctor
They
Oh,
bit
dang.
you, poor
They had to
thing.
call the doctor all the way out.
What
They
is
called the
that?
doctor all the way out.
What kind of bird?
And then charged me $500.
Oh wow.
When we're on an all-inclusive resort.
Right.
All-inclusive, you guys don't know what all-inclusive means? All-inclusive
Everything.
means I can leave
You
my
ain't gotta
wallet
pay
in the
nothing.
room. Damn near the whole vacation. Unless we go off the resort, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
But I'm supposed to be able to leave my wallet at home. And I paid $500 because I kicked a sea urchin.
You kicked the sea urchin.
I want to say some things to that sea urchin. You know what I'm saying?
Uh
He mad.
He petty clear right now.
Right.
We're gonna get
He got
yellowed.
some
And then
words.
it's gonna be bad.
He got some words for the sea
Update, man. We
urchin.
didn't even get to go ATVing because
And they probably lost
I was in
the
deposit.
3 hours.
deposit on the excursions. It's terrible.
3 hours.
3 hours.
Man,
And the Queen thinks it's funny. I'm not gonna lie, Queen thinks it's funny, but it's really not.
it's not
Tight.
funny.
It's really not. She was laughing the whole time. It's petty.
Petty.
It's petty. But I just wanted to come on here and tell y'all that I'm
Oh,
pissed.
Claire.
Oh,
I'm
petty
pissed.
fam. I hope you feel better,
But
bro.
I should have never.
Oh, God.
I'm better than that. I should know myself better than that. I'm from New York. We don't do oceans. Like I don't do
mean,
oceans.
but
You feel me?
Wear like
Pool,
those sea
maybe
shoes.
lake, maybe river.
But you
kind
had
of
done
thing.
that
River,
before,
'cause I
Claire.
don't like when
Right.
they shit in the water. I don't sign up to get
it's
in the
right
shit
next to
water.
his
If I
room.
go in the water, I
I
want to be
know.
in there with people.
And it's
You know
so
what
clear looking though. I
Yeah.
see where you went
I mean?
wrong.
So that's my fault.
I
I
would have
done
thought
did
when
it
he
too.
No,
I
yeah,
would have been, you know, it's all, that water you could literally
That's
see
my fault.
through.
Right.
I know you like probably all, you know,
He limping, y'all.
He is limping. You can tell.
but I was just looking at you the whole time when you was in a thing because you just look so good. I forgot your toes. I was just looking at you talking on the phone.
I could tell you wasn't really worried about my
Oh,
But, chill, I was trying to help you in the room, but I was like, this man is so fine. You got the nerve to be up in there in that doctor's room. If I was a doctor in there, would have been sucking your toes. Suck the little splinter out.
Well, do it.
It's $85.
At this point, right? At this point, like, just do
I
it.
had to kiss my feet the other day, remember?
I did, or did I just do it?
No, you asked.
I asked.
Queen,
Yeah.
if y'all ain't gonna suck the splinter out by this toy, I don't want to hear it.
It's already done. It's too late now.
Right.
What coulda, shoulda.
I mean, I kiss up your feet all the time.
I don't mind kissing your. I don't mind kissing your.
She distracted him though, so
She's
that's
trying to distract him.
Okay.
Look, I think you walking better.
You
now.
walking better.
How we gonna turn this night around, man?
We're gonna have to make it work, man. Make it work.
Let's do it.
We're heading to go get some food or some drinks. I gotta wait like an hour before I go back and do water activities.
Let's just eat.
So I'm gonna eat and then, man, I'm going in the pool, man.
No more oceans for us.
That's the ocean, man.
But we are going to the ocean tomorrow. So.
Who?
What is that?
For what?
The JJ's boat excursion.
I ain't doing it. If there's sea urchins there, count me
It's
out.
a boat.
But you don't have to get in the water.
If there's sea urchins there tomorrow, count me out.
You got your Yeezys on, King.
Nah, bro, I don't mess with sea urchins, bro. It's over.
You got a whole beef with them.
Yeah, it's over. It's up. It's up and it's stuck. It's up and it's stuck with you sea urchins. Okay, so we without St. Lucian Buddy right here, and we about to do our intro. You're ready, so let's do it. Let's do it.
1, 2, go.
What's up, Roy family?
It's your girl, Queen.
It's your boy Clarence.
It's your girl, Tamisha.
Tamisha.
Yeah, you did good, mama.
Let's try one time. Come on, let's do it. What's up, Roy family?
It's your girl, Queen.
It's your boy Clarence.
It's your girl, Tamisha. And we're back with another
For your mother. Good
She's
job.
the one that's been getting you drunk all reason.
He need to get drunk this time, y'all.
Yeah.
That's my boy right there.
Prince is wearing his Christian
Oh, he's still
Louboutins that were
limping?
bought. When, babe?
He walking on the side of his foot.
I see my big old
Hey,
head.
I like your head.
Kurt, girl.
Thank you. I gotta fix it. I'm gonna have
Sound like
dinner,
she
right?
heard us.
Right here's fine. Crab cake, lamb chops, St. Lucia lemonade. And he has the same thing.
You tried it? The lamb chop.
He's good on that. So Clarence wants to trade lambs. There's only one way we can do it.
What?
I feed you yours and you feed. Wait, I feed you mine and you feed me yours.
I'm with that. You don't like tomatoes, right?
Yeah.
I like tomatoes.
Ready?
Ladies first.
No, eat it while I eat it.
Same time. She can't stop laughing.
Like that, done.
Yours too well.
I'll take it.
Queen.
Oh my god. Okay, this is good.
Yeah, mine is
I
very
like
simple.
this.
I'd rather eat yours though.
I rather
Yeah,
eat
yours
mine
is
too.
definitely way tougher than mine.
I'd rather you eat mine too.
He like,
Baby, you be tripping. He nasty. He a
Because
freak.
you nasty.
He a freak.
I am a freak.
He turned me into one, y'all.
Queen,
I
stop.
never was so promiscuous.
Shut up,
You are not
Queen.
promiscuous.
Shut up, Queen.
I don't know the word.
That's the wrong word.
yes.
He was so open.
I opened you up.
Okay.
Here we go again.
Y'all go to sleep. Leave us alone.
They about to get yellowed.
Right.
I've tried lamb before, for sure. But this is my first time actually ordering lambs and eating them, and this is really good.
You don't want it home?
Yeah, I will order home now. If they taste like this
You gotta
know a
get
place
them
with
prepared
good
the
lamb
right
chops?
way.
at home, I'll mess up some lamb. Not gonna lie, I look at lamb totally different now.
Lamb is like steak. 2.5.
Clarence had a
I wonder,
little
like, what's
lamb.
the
No.
difference? Like, what makes?
I wonder if he knew euros.
Lamb
but-
is healthier than steak.
I'm saying, but what makes a lamb? Like, what makes lamb and cow meat turn into steak? And why is a chicken?
It's
Cross
still
the
a
road.
chicken, right?
Yeah, like why is the meat different?
Like why does why does cow
such
turn
thing?
into beef and not just cow?
Do y'all have
Y'all-
comments on any of these
y'all,
questions?
Are they drunk? Y'all
You
drinking.
see what I mean?
That was some deep shit right there.
Y'all.
When you eat chicken, you know what you're eating. Chicken is chicken.
If you eat snake,
You know you're eating
you
snake.
eat a snake.
And why
but
does
when you
pig
eat-
turn into pork?
Turn
Because
into.
we're not supposed to be eating those things. Cow or pig.
Pig and pork kind of make like close. You know what I mean? It's
Porky?
like it's kind of close to like pork. Oink.
They
It
sleeping.
makes sense. Like
Pork, oink.
you know?
Pork,
At least he
But
feeling
beef
better.
is
Everybody
like
sleepy.
totally off. Cow,
Somebody
beef,
sleepy.
Like cow.
beef,
They went to what?
It
Visit
should
his
have
boy
been.
at the
Been
bar.
called bow.
Where's the beef?
bow.
Won't y'all ask
bow right
Beast?
now.
Because he
Right.
probably has a better
Let me go.
explanation for y'all.
Like I don't know. Whoever made that up is called.
Beef. Or somebody had cooked a cow one day and was just like, beef.
So
We're
silly.
gonna call you beef.
Beef is good.
Oh, here she go back again.
Say it.
You done?
Say beef is good.
How's your crab cake?
It's good. It's
Uh
so
oh,
fishy.
you trying to change
But
something?
why does crab taste like fish?
Now you wildin' now.
No.
Babe,
Why is crab
everything that
fishy?
comes
Now
out of
she
the
wa-
water
Now
has a
she wild
fishy
out.
taste.
No,
Like, it's
not
the
everything.
sea. It's the saltiness
So,
of the water.
so it's the sea.
Yeah, it's the water.
Land
Now
is
she
Yeah.
tripping.
Yeah, land is pure. We're not even supposed to really eat these. Imagine what the lamb had to go through.
She
Stop.
really
Same
sleepy
thing
now.
that Your steak from yesterday had to go through.
Yeah, but cows, all animals deserve to, okay. Let me stop before the PETA, the PETA.
Don't say what I thought you were about to say.
No, but deserve to live.
No. But you was about to say the cows, like, you really care less about the cows.
No, it's not. No, I do care about the cows, but they so useful. Like, we need milk. No, that's crazy. Why do
Stop.
we drink milk? Well, I don't. But why do people drink
We wouldn't
milk
be
from
able
an animal titty?
We wouldn't be able to live without cows.
Really? How?
If you think about all the shit that it provides us.
What?
Milk, cheese. Like, there's a lot of stuff that
Man,
cow...
people can live without milk and cheese.
Babe, if you look at shit, there's a lot of milk.
He gonna be like, it wouldn't be no
Including a lot.
pizza, wouldn't be no chopped cheese.
Right. He about to go to Publix when they
Wouldn't
get
be no
back.
bacon, egg, and cheese. What would New York do?
Right. I'll shut it down.
Are you?
He said he about to go to Publix and look at all the ingredients for milk and
You know
cheese.
what happened,
I dare you jump in water right now.
Wait, you know he hurt his
Now
foot.
sea urchins down there.
Oh, that's what you
Alright,
should
y'all,
be
I
eating to
know
get
what
them
we're
back.
Right. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. Click the bell and become part of the Noto Squad.
Petty, I've been winning steady. Petty, 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 I've been winning steady.